Supreme Court announcing they will hear cases regarding funding for President Trump's border wall and the controversial Remain in Mexico policy. ABC 10 News anchor Mary McKenzie has reaction from a local immigration activist.
A lot is still in limbo. A lot is still on the line, especially not knowing if, well, likely the new Supreme Court judge will be in place by then.
Pedro Rios is with the American Friends Service Committee. One of the organization's key issues is defending immigrant rights, including the tens of thousands of asylum seekers who've been waiting for months in Mexico for their cases to be heard.
It's sort of between a rock and a hard place. On the one hand, it's good to hear that the highest court is interested in making a decision about this extremely important case. On the other hand, knowing that it'll probably be months before they hear a decision is certainly disheartening.
The Supreme Court agreed to review the policy that makes asylum seekers wait in Mexico for U.S. court hearings. The policy is technically called Migrant Protection Protocols, but informally it's known as Remain in Mexico. It was introduced in January of 2019. More than 60,000 asylum seekers were sent back to Mexico under the policy. The border wall case concerns the Trump administration's attempts to transfer Pentagon funds to build part of the wall along the U.S.-Mexico border. Lower courts have ruled the administration doesn't have the authority to transfer the $2.5 billion in funds. But in a previous order, SCOTUS allowed the construction to continue while the appeals process plays out. Because the court's calendar is already full through the end of the year, the justices will not hear these cases until 2021. And if President Trump is not reelected and the policies are reversed, it will render these cases largely moot. Mary McKenzie, ABC 10 News.